We're here, 4th of July fishing, and I caught myself a dog. This thing is huge. 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 Look at that. Oh man. This guy's easily 13 pounds. Heavy as all get out. There's my foot next to him. I'm gonna try and get him off the hook here. I wanted to get a video of him because this guy is daddy 4th of July fishing big. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pick him up. He's just huge. Rock and roll. It's a dog, man. This thing is a dog. I don't know. He's big. He's a big old catfish. Just huge, huge. I need a scale. Just to get it down right, I need a scale. All right, man. There she blows. I'm gonna try and get some snapshots. This is the biggest catfish I've ever caught at Lake Erie, and I've caught some monsters. Beautiful day. 4th of July fishing, 2014. Caught me a monster cat. It's a dog.